Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Study. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about JAMB 2025. I'll be telling you guys certain things you need to know about JAMB. So first of all, we're talking about when will JAMB 2025 take place. So normally JAMB takes place between month of March and the month of April. So for you thinking that you still have a lot of time, there is no time again. You just have like 2 to 3. You just have like 3 to 4 months to JAMB. So if you have not started studying, start studying right now. Another thing is what and what do you need for your JAMB registration? So the main thing you need for your JAMB registration is your NIN slip. You need it for your JAMB registration and also your Abi. What else do you need? You need your NIN slip. That's the first thing that you need. You also need your WAEC results for those of you that have taken WAEC before. But if you don't have your WAEC results, it's not a must. So you can submit it later. So those are the two main things you need for your JAMB registration. So another thing is what do I need to do as I prepare for my JAMB 2025? The most important thing is studying. If you don't start preparing for your JAMB on time or more, that means you're already preparing to fail. Most people that failed their JAMB last, it's not that they are not smart. Some of them are smart, but because they didn't start on time to prepare, that's why they failed. So if you have not started studying by now, better go get your book and start studying. There is no time again. We just have like 2 to 3 months to JAMB. Yeah, let me say 2, 3 to 4 months to JAMB. So you don't have time again. You may be thinking, oh, I still have like 2 months. Very soon now, you open your eyes and close your eyes, it will be March already. So start studying now. You don't have time. And also another thing is past questions. For those of you that took JAMB last year, you know how important JAMB past questions are. JAMB repeat questions. So solve as much as you can, like solve a lot of past questions because you don't know the part that they will repeat. Then maybe for chemistry, physics, and biology, then for chemistry, physics, and biology, that is 40 questions each. Then for English is 60 questions. You may be lucky and they may repeat like 10 questions in your own exams. So that's why past question is actually very important. So start now to solve past questions. Start now to solve past questions. And also, I will advise you to also enroll into a tutorial. If you can afford a physical tutorial, you can enroll for an online tutorial. Just do your very best because once you don't prepare well, that means you're already preparing to fail your JAMB. So start now to prepare. Don't wait till next year before you start studying. Don't wait for 1 month to JAMB before you start studying. Start preparing and doing everything necessary now. That's my simple advice to you guys now. Just keep studying, and at the end of everything, you will see that all the hard work you put into the preparation will actually be worth it. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video for today.